Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by joining an active Ability Wars match where bind is available. Do this now. Check that you have the required kit token or menu permission, because without it you cannot select abilities. Once in the lobby, open the ability selection immediately and confirm bind is listed. While you wait for match start, position yourself near teammates for early coordination. This reduces wasted attempts. Make sure your controls are responsive and keybinded, so you can activate bind the moment combat begins. Once the game begins, open the ability menu and locate bind under crowd control or utility. Select it immediately. Purchase or claim bind using your match tokens or points and drag it into a convenient hotbar slot so you can activate without fumbling. Practice 1 or 2 trial activations in a safe area to learn exact range and cooldown. This familiarity prevents late-game mistakes. Make sure to bind the activation key to something comfortable. Quick muscle memory beats reading instructions. To secure successful binds, activate bind when enemies cluster or attempt to push a point. This locks them and creates follow-up windows for your team. After activation, immediately reposition to apply damage or protect the trapped foes because bind's value is time-limited. If it doesn't trigger, stop and diagnose. Check for server lag or packet loss, confirm you still have permission and tokens, and verify the ability is equipped in the correct slot. If problems persist, swap servers or reopen the menu before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.